Hey everybody, welcome to TechHub.training Python Sales Superstars Challenge Solution. What I've done is I've given you guys an Excel sheet that has the names of various employees and the number of sales that they had throughout the week. What you need to do is create code that goes through and lists out the names of employees that had over 85K in sales. We're going to use Python to do that. I'm going to walk you guys through the code that I wrote. Starting with the necessary packages we need to import. That includes pandas. And then this one right here, I've heard it pronounced TK-inter, kinter, whichever way is the correct way. It's what we're going to use for our message box at the end. After that, we need to create an empty list. I've called it Sales Superstars. This is where we're going to store the names of employees that had over 85K in sales. And then we're going to display this list at the end of our analysis. All right, we now need to request our file path location, the location of where the Sales Superstars Excel sheet is on our computer. We're going to use an input box to do that. Whatever we put in there is going to be called directory. This little line or lines, what they do is they ensure that there's a double backslash at the end of our file path location. This is so that the syntax is correct and pandas can correctly read in the Sales Superstars Excel sheet. Then we're going to use that pd.read Excel right here, referencing the directory that we put in our input box, the Sales Superstars sheet, and we're going to save all of that Excel data in the Sales Superstars sheet to a data frame. We now need to go through and analyze each row of this data frame to find employees that had over 85K in sales. So that's what this is doing right here. So it's saying for every row in that data frame, whatever is in the column for name, store that to a name variable. Whatever is in the column of sales, save that to a variable called sales. Now we're going to perform a little analysis on that sales. It says if the sales is over 85K, then add the name, which we stored up here, to the Sales Superstars list, which remember is an empty list we created up here. All right, once we've gone through and analyzed every single row of that data frame, an optional line we could put into our code is this right here. It just converts the list into a string just for better visual appearance, but not necessary. After that, we're ready to display our message box with the information that is now in our Sales Superstars list. Okay, let's go ahead and try it out. All right, input the file path location. All right, I think the box, yep, it's displayed right here. So these are the names of all the employees that had over 85K in sales. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.